Gusto mo ba ng advantage na hindi alam ng karamihan? Yung alam mo kung kailan ka papasok at kailan ka iiwas? Sa buhay, hindi lahat ng opportunity para sa'yo at hindi lahat ng timing pabor sa'yo. Kaya yung iba, kahit pareho lang kayo ng effort, sila ang nauuna kasi alam nila kung kailan kikilos at kailan hindi. Dito nagiging helpful ang astrology reading with Master Hans Kua. Ito ay nakabase sa exact birth details mo, kaya malinaw kung paano gumagalaw ang personal timing mo. Magkakaroon ka ng guide kung kailan malakas ang galaw mo sa pera at opportunities, kailan ka dapat umiwas sa risk o big decisions, at anong direction ang mas nagbibigay ng result sa'yo. Available through video call or in person, malalaman nyo lahat ng lucky colors, lucky directions, personal elements, at astrology guide for the year. Hi, I'm Master Hans Kua, studied Feng Shui with more than 25 years of experience with clients that became successful artists, politicians, and business owners. PM Master Hans Kua to schedule your astrology reading. Kahit nasaan ka pa sa mundo, Master Hans will be there for you. Remember, Feng Shui is only a guide. Luck starts with us. Always be hands-on in life.